With some holidays, you might need to check your calendar to see when they fall each year, while others you don't. Christmas is always December 25th. New Year's Day is always January 1st. And Cinco de Mayo, well, that's simply Spanish for the 5th of May. And to celebrate Cinco de Mayo, we came up with a one-dish wonder that's quick to throw together and is super tasty. We begin by sauteing some ground beef with a chopped onion until no pink remains. To that, we add a couple cans of tomato sauce, some fiesta-style corn, a can of enchilada sauce, a bit of chili powder, ground cumin, and some salt and pepper. While that simmers, we place 6 corn tortilla shells in the bottom of a baking dish. Now we top those with half of the meat mixture and sprinkle on some shredded cheddar cheese. We layer everything one more time and pop it in the oven. It's sort of like building a lasagna. Serve this up with an icy margarita and let the festivities begin. With every bite, you get layer after layer of everything you love about an enchilada, but with the ease of a casserole. To get the recipe for our enchilada casserole, simply visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an all-in-one tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.